Hey guys, today this is how I got the squishy package. Okay, so for my shirt, I got slime on it. So here it is. It's some squishy charm. It is amazing. Amazing. Okay, I'm good. Oh, I can find this really big. Okay. It has like clubs. Here's the back. It did open because I was playing with the zipper. It had a zipper, and I was playing with it, and it broke off. So that's why. So yeah, this is not a review, I wish, but it is not. It is this package I ordered. Oh, it's common squishies, like some delight, some I don't know. Let's go. Oh, I think this is an extra. Oh, I did order some deco squishies. This is not. This is not one that I ordered, but it has like little pink drizzle and a little bit of green foam beads. I think that's supposed to be what is that? Sprinkles. So here it is. Very cute. I need to switch my camera. Better. So here it is. Okay, there it is. This is the extra, so I love that extra. I'm so excited for this. This is sort of a blind bag, but it didn't have the bag. But here is this cotton candy, I think. Yeah, I think it. Oh, yeah, cotton candy. It is from Shopkins and Squishy. It did come with defects. She told me that. Hold on. I know it had cracks. I saw them. Okay. It's gonna be like focusing. Is that okay? But it has cracks, so yeah. It is a little bit dense. It's not this most version thing, but it's pretty squishy, and it is defective right there. But that's okay. Because I only got it for $3. Here's the next thing. It is the mini king banana. So here it is. Ooh, it smells like banana and chocolate. It smells like my I Bloom banana dipped in chocolate. Here's the next thing. I need to pick that up. Here it is. It's my favorite squishy. Why does this never focus? It is this squishy. It is a rare heart beer. Here it is. It is amazing. I'll take it out for Henry. Now I'm actually editing my videos this time because last time I was lazy, so I didn't edit. But I'm gonna end my videos now. So. And I think I have an intro. If I don't, I'm gonna try to work on it in the next video. Hopefully I have an intro. I don't know. So there it is. Okay, this is one of the deco squishies. It's a turtle and it has like really cute like rainbow lines. It's very cute. It's pretty squishy. Okay, that looks weird. It looks like someone just did that. Okay, this lighting is bad, so bad. Sorry. This is one of deco squishies that I was so excited. Okay, I think this is a steam bun or like I don't know. But here it is. It's like really pretty like that. It feels amazing. It's supposed to be really slow rising. Oh, that is slow rising. So squishy. I love it. It's so soft. Oh. I was gonna hit. Here is my I Bloom Pro Strawberry. It is licensed by Adbloom, but we'll just let it rise so I can. Okay, I see where the licensing is. So soft. It smells like sugar and strawberries. It smells so good. I'm gonna show you the licensing. Okay, if I can. Okay, there it is. There's the licensing. So it's rising. I'll just wait. Okay, it's done. Here's the next thing. It is my Stadium corn dog. Her squishies are, her tags are homemade. That's what I love because I just love homemade stuff. Here's this one. It's very cute. It's a little bit dense, but soft at the same time. Here is, I'm excited. Okay, here is this. It's a squishy squishy delish. Probably slime, I don't know. But here it is. I only ordered this one because it was the only one in stock. But here is the licensing. Very cute and everything. I love it. And I actually have 2 of these now. So, yes. I have 2 of everything. I already have this. I just got them because I am probably going to give away with that. So here's this extra. Is this donut with sprinkles. It's amazing and has like sprinkles. The sprinkles so good. And like I don't know, it just looks so cool. Like I love how solarizing it is. Like it's not too solarizing, but it's like not too solarizing. Okay, it's not too solarizing and it's not too dense. Or not too solarizing. I don't know. But yeah, there is everything in this bag from Squishy Town. You should definitely check them out. Their prices are amazing. I'll show you. I'll tell you what I got for them. This was really rare. This was like $8. This was $3. This was $3 again. This was $15 because it was, I guess, really rare. I don't know. But this was an extra. This is an extra. There's 2 extras. Here is this cotton candy. This was like, I don't know, 3? I think yeah, 13. This was 6 because it did come with defects. Things chipped off. Like that. That's right. No, it wasn't 6. It was 3, my bad. So the defective squishies are $3. And the like deco ones are $3 too. So yeah, there's everything. And you could pay for your squishies and packaging. It only costs like 90 cents more. You can pay for tags. You can get real tags. But I just wanted homemade. So yeah. See you again, pickles.